Hi, I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. And Kevin just got done getting a massage and now he's here for an adjustment after. Had some soft tissue injuries, some neck, back pain, low back pain, and we're working with that. So let's just see what we do when you sometimes get hurt. How's treatment been so far, Kevin, since you've been coming to the office?
Oh, it's really well. It's very good.
Been helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Let's have you lay on this side for me. So we're going to start balancing out the pelvis and the hip area. Bend this knee right here. Good. And let your head go back. Thank you. Good. And you can see where I'm making the contact here in this lower back. If the camera comes around here, you can see it. If the camera comes around here, you can see it. Hint. So I'm making a contact right on that right SI joint. There it is. And we're going to go opposite way here. So go to the other side. Bend. Thank you. There it is, on your back. Breath in and release it out. Beautiful. Good job. Breath in and out. Good. And we're going to switch around this side for me. So we're adjusting mid-back, middle vertebrae, as well as ribs. Go. Oxfoot C1. Good. And traction right there. Good. And I'm going to have you sit up facing the chair to your right. Alright. Nice arch into the lower back, shoulders back, chin retracted slightly for me. Hold that. Deep breath in. And release it out. Bend the elbow for me. Drop your head. Good. Opposite way. Good. And I'm going to have you stand right here for me facing that wall. Good. Hands behind your head. Lock them together. Good. Feel that in your mid-back? That's how you take someone who's 5 foot tall and turn them to 6 feet. Right? Again, you can stop. All right, how's that feel?
Good, thank you.
You're welcome. Good job. I'll see you later, guys. Dr. David Warwick, Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington.